Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to repost someone else's Instagram story. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to repost someone else's Instagram story, we have to be tagged in someone else's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned in a story, we will get the notification on Instagram direct message. So we can open our Instagram direct message right here by tapping on this message icon. Then this is the account who mentioned me in a story, and we just need to click on it. Then if you want to repost a story, you just need to click on add to your story right here. Okay, and before you repost the story, you can edit the story first. You can add tags, add sticker, and you can also add a music, and you can get the full screen as well. You just need to tap on the story like this to get the full screen, and after you're done editing the story, you can click on your story to repost the story. Okay, and just wait for a moment. And I'm just going to go back to the Instagram homepage to check it. Okay, and this is the story that I have just reposted. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost someone else's Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.